So as we were doing the chapter from hunting, gathering to growing food, in this first we studied about that early humans, first they were hunter and gatherers. Later on, with the passage of time, they become farmers and herders. And some evidence of new tools, जिसमें sharp and pointed tools की बात की गई है, they started using, and they also starting using the mortar and pestle that was used for grinding the plants or the grains, and in present time also we are using the same. And they started storing the food grains either for the food purpose or for the seeds, and for storing them they use clay pots, they dug pits in the ground, and sometimes they wove baskets. And with the passage of time they also started weaving the cotton clothes, cotton से clothes बनाना उन्होंने start कर दिया था. Then we studied कि जो ये चीजें हुई हैं, whatever changes were there, so that changes were happened all the places at once. No, it was not same. कुछ एरिया पे जो लोग थे उस टाइम पे still they followed the hunting and gathering, but in the other areas they started following the farming and herding. तो जो भी ये changes हुए हैं वो बहुत ही gradually हुए हैं, slowly हुए हैं. It's all not happened at all कि एक ही दम बहुत ही drastic change आ गए. ठीक है. So today we are going to continue with the topic. We are going to study the case study of Mehergarh, living and dying in Mehergarh. So this is a very important case study, and whatever places we are studying in this, जो भी हम इसमें साइट पढ़ रहे हैं, that is very much relevant. Like हमने बुर्ज़होम के बारे में पढ़ा, तो बुर्ज़होम में क्या था, पिट हाउसेस वर फाउंड. ठीक है. भीमबेटका के बारे में पढ़ा जहाँ पे नेचुरल शेल्टर्स मिले. कुरनूल केव्स के बारे में पढ़ा जहाँ हमें ऐश वगैरह, क्योंकि हमें फायर के बारे में पता लगा, दे स्टार्टेड यूजिंग द फायर. ठीक है. अब जो ये हम मेहरगढ़ के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, इसमें हम पढ़ेंगे कि यहाँ पे जो लोग थे, दे वर फर्स्ट स्टार्टेड ग्रोइंग द grains and rearing the animals. इस मेहरगढ़ को we also known as the earliest village. ठीक है. तो अभी तक हमने पढ़ा कि the hunter and gatherers, they were living in natural shelters, they lived a very nomadic life, they keep on moving from place to place in search of food and water. But when they starting doing the agriculture, when they starting rearing the animals, they starting living a very settled life. उन्होंने एक settled life जीना शुरू कर दिया. तो उसमें से हम एक केस स्टडी लेके आए हैं, दैट इज ऑफ द मेहरगढ़. ये भी एक साइट है. ठीक है. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट दिस. So Mehergarh, it is the site located in the fertile plain near the Bolan Pass. अगर आप मैप में देखो, if you can see the map again, okay, let me see you the map again. And you can also open your books where you are having the map. So you can see here where we have located this Mehergarh. तो अभी देखा, उस पहले के टाइम पे ये सभी एक ही कॉन्टिनेंट का पार्ट थे, बट नाउ अब हम कह देते हैं कि पाकिस्तान में है या किसी और कंट्री में है. तो ये एक तरह से बाउंड्री पे है. यहाँ से जो रास्ता जाता था वो ईरान वगैरह को जाता था, तो वहां पे बिल्कुल किनारे पे, मतलब एक तरह से बाउंड्री पे है. दैट इज मेहरगढ़. ओके, दिस इज द लोकेशन ऑफ मेहरगढ़. So where this place is located, in the fertile plain near the Bolan Pass, which is one of the most important routes into Iran. मतलब ईरान जाने के लिए बहुत important route था. And Mehergarh was probably one of the place where people learn to grow which grains they learn to grow, barley and wheat. और यहाँ के लोगों को माना था कि these were the first who started growing barley and wheat and started rearing sheep and goats for the फर्स्ट टाइम. सबसे पहले इन्होंने स्टार्ट किया रियरिंग शीप एंड गॉट्स एंड ग्रोइंग बार्ली एंड व्हीट. एंड मेहरगढ़ को हम कहते हैं दिस इज वन ऑफ द अर्लीस्ट विलेज. सबसे पहले जो सबसे पुराना जो विलेज बना होगा वेयर द पीपल स्टार्टेड लिविंग, तो वहां पे जो सबसे अर्लीस्ट विलेज था दैट वाज मेहरगढ़. ठीक है. एंड इन दिस साइट जो आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट थे, दे फाउंड द एविडेंसेस ऑफ बोथ टाइप ऑफ एनिमल, डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स एज वेल एज द वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. उनको दोनों तरह के एनिमल्स की बोन्स मिली हैं, बोन्स ऑफ वाइल्ड एनिमल्स एज वेल एज बोन्स ऑफ डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. वाइल्ड एनिमल्स लाइक डियर, पिग और शीप एंड गोट जो वो डोमेस्टिकेट किया करते थे, तो उनकी बोन्स भी मिली हैं. नाउ एट दिस साइट जो सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात थी, the people started living in square and rectangular houses. मतलब अभी तक हमने ये पढ़ा था when we studied about the settled life that early humans made huts, pit houses. और जो मेहरगढ़ की जो साइट थी वहां से आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट ने क्या एक्सकवेट किया, they found the remains of square and rectangular house. You can see here in the image कि लोगों ने हाउसेस बनाने स्टार्ट कर दिए थे एंड द शेप ऑफ द हाउसेस वर स्क्वायर और रेक्टेंगुलर. और उन हाउसेस को जो भी एक पर्टिकुलर हाउस होता था उसमें 4 या 4 से ज्यादा उसमें कंपार्टमेंट्स होते थे, उनको 4 या उससे ज्यादा पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया जाता था एंड उन कंपार्टमेंट में से एक जो पार्ट होता था दैट इज यूज्ड फॉर स्टोरेज. जैसे आज हमारे घरों में स्टोर रूम होता है ना, तो इट मीन्स जो ये कॉन्सेप्ट था स्टोर रूम का या स्टोरेज का दैट वाज आल्सो देयर इन एट द अर्लीस्ट टाइम. तो जब हम मेहरगढ़ की बात करते हैं, आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन, जो मेहरगढ़ का जो साइट है दैट वाज लोकेटेड इन द फर्टाइल प्लेन नियर द बोलान पास and here the people started growing the wheat and barley and started rearing sheep and goats and this is one of the earliest village and archaeologists found the evidences of both animals matlab wild animals as well as the domestic animals and in these remains they also found the remains of square and rectangular house. matlab now the people started building houses और उनकी शेप कैसी थी, स्क्वायर एंड रेक्टेंगुलर, और हर एक हाउस को 4 या 4 से ज्यादा पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया था और उन पार्ट्स में से एक पार्ट को किस लिए रखा गया, यूज्ड फॉर स्टोरेज आइदर फॉर द फूड ग्रेन्स कि वहां पे वो पोट्स को रख देते थे या बास्केट्स को रख देते थे लाइक वी आर हैविंग स्टोर रूम्स एट आवर होम्स प्रेजेंट टाइम. सो दिस इज अबाउट द लिविंग, मतलब जो हमने ऊपर जो हमने हेडिंग पढ़ी थी लिविंग, ये दिस कम अंडर लिविंग इन मेहरगढ़ की जो मेहरगढ़ में जो लोग रहते थे. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट डाइंग कि मरने के बाद व्हाट दे डू. सो व्हेन पीपल डाई देयर relatives and friends generally pay respect to them. People took them perhaps in the belief that there is something some form of life after that. It means the people those who were living in Mehergarh they believe life after that. ठीक है, तो इस चीज में बिलीव करते थे. तो बरियल क्या है, इट इज वन टाइप ऑफ सेरेमनी जिसमें जो डेड पर्सन है उसको ग्राउंड में बरीड किया जाता था, दफनाया जाता था. ठीक है, बरियल इज वन सच अरेंजमेंट. और जब भी वो किसी डेड पर्सन को बरी करा करते थे तो उसके साथ उसकी कुछ ना कुछ जो उसकी बिलोंगिंग्स, कई बार उसके साथ शीप गोट्स इनको भी बरीड कर दिया जाता था. उनका मानना ये था कि अगर हम इनके साथ गोट्स वगैरह इनको हम बरीड करेंगे दैट meant टू बी सर्व एज फूड इन द नेक्स्ट वर्ल्ड, कि नेक्स्ट जो उनको नई जो लाइफ मिलेगी जहां पे ये जाएंगे मरने के बाद वहां पे ये उनका एक फूड क्या काम करेंगे. ठीक है, तो ये यहाँ पे दो चीजें बताई गई हैं, लिविंग एंड डाइंग. मतलब वो विश्वास करते थे कि वन हु डाइड दैट पर्सन टू टेक रीबर्थ, उसका रीबर्थ होगा. तो जब भी उनको ग्राउंड में बरीड किया जाता था उसके साथ गोड्स या शीप कुछ भी उसको फूड आइटम्स को साथ में बरीड किया जाता था सो दैट विल हेल्प देम इन द नेक्स्ट वर्ल्ड एज अ फूड, एक तरह से फूड का काम करेगा. ठीक है, so these type of remains were also found. ठीक है, तो this was all about the Mehergarh site. ठीक है, so till here if anyone is having any doubt, so let us discuss the back exercise. Hunter gatherers choose to live in caves and rocks shelters because, just write down the answer in the chat box. Hunter gatherers choose to live in caves and rock shelters because, hurry up, waiting for your answer. Very good. Rain, harsh weather. Okay, wild animals. So hunter and gatherers choose to live in caves and rock shelter because they protect them from heat, cold, wind and rain. Just write down in your books also. Protecting them from heat, cold, wind and rain. Now, grasslands developed around dash years ago. Write down the answer in the chat box. Grasslands developed around dash years ago. Sanchi Arora, very good. 12,000 years. Very good. Sanchi, Manjot, Prisha, very good. 12,000 years ago. Can you please tell me which Stone Age period was this? 12,000 years ago, which Stone Age period was this? Very good, Tanishka. Mesolithic. Yashika, very good. Manjot, Mesolithic. Very good. So, it means you are understanding the chapter. Now, the next question that we are going to do in the notebook, that is first question, second question. Why do people who grow crops have to stay in the same place for a long time? Just raise hand if you know the answer for the same. Raise hand if you know the answer. Why do people who grow crops have to stay in the same place for a long time? Tanishka, give
Ma'am,
the answer.
because the people who grow crops have to stay in the same place for a long time because the crops don't grow in a minute or just like 2 days or 3 days. It takes time, like weeks, months, or sometimes years.
Okay.
So that's why people have to wait and stay there for a long time.
Okay, let me ask someone else. Prisha.
Ma'am, in the book I have marked it.
Hmm.
When people began growing crops, it meant that they had to stay at the same place for a long time, looking after the plants, watering, weeding, driving away animals and birds till the grain ripened.
Okay, so we can make the separate points for the same. Okay, Prisha, you can tell the page number for the same. Prisha.
Ma'am, it's page 17, A New Way of Life.
Okay. Just those who are having the old books, they can also check the heading, A New Way of Life. A new way of life. Just check the answer from there. So the people had to stay in the same place for a long period of time. First, they had to look after the plants. Second, they had to water them regularly. They had to remove the weeds and to drive away the animals and birds. And later on, they had to store the food grains. So this is the answer that you are supposed to write. Now, third question, we will not do. Just put a cross. Why do archaeologists think that many people who lived in Mehergarh were hunters? This question we will not do. Now, the next question is question number 4. We will do question number 4, 5, and 6. Why did the hunter and gatherers travel from place to place? In what ways are these similar to, different from the reasons for which they travel? We have already discussed and done this. Yes, Avni, give the answer. Why did the hunter-gatherers travel from place to place? Yes, Avni.
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, hunter-gatherers travel from one place to another in search of food and in search of water, and they move from one place to another to avoid harsh conditions, harsh weather, and live peacefully. And they move from one place to another for to hunt animals also, and to follow the animals to hunt them later on.
Okay, let me ask Mansi. Mansi, beta, hurry up. Just give me the right answer. Hurry up. Well tried, Avni.
Hunter-gatherers travel from one place to another because in search of food, in search of water for drinking, to kill animals. These ways are different from the reasons which we travel today. We travel from place to place in today's life as in search of jobs, to meet our relatives, transfer of people related to business.
Beta, for the second part, your answer is sufficient. For the first part, you have to elaborate the point. If you are writing in search of food, it's very well explained in your book. If they stayed at a particular place for a long period of time, they would return up all the things. That's why they had to move from place to place. Okay? So all the 4 points are well explained in your books. Okay? Those who are having Sargun, will you tell me the page?
Page number 11.
Page number 11 of new book.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Page number 11. Okay, you have to explain all the points in search of food, in search of water, in search of seasonal plants, and for hunting animals. Then you have to give the reason that nowadays we are not traveling for the same reasons. We travel from one place to another place, maybe in search of job, transfer cases, transfer हुआ job में, for entertainment purposes, for exploring new things. In that way, we travel from place to place nowadays. Now the question number 5. List 3 ways in which hunter and gatherers used fire. Would you use fire for any of these purposes today? Would you use fire? Yes, Manjot. Manjot.
Ways in which hunters and gatherers used fire. Hunters and gatherers used fire for cooking food, for scaring animals away, and for protecting themselves from heat and cold. We use some.
Okay, you can find out the answer under the heading of finding out about fire. So hunter and gatherers, they used fire. First, they used fire as a source of light. They used it to cook meat. They also used the same to scare away the animals, and fire also protect them from the cold weather. Now the next question, B part, would you use fire for any of these purposes today? Yes, we also use fire for cooking, for keeping ourselves warm, and sometimes we use as a religious purposes also. We also cook food and as a source of light. जब electricity चली जाती है, तब भी हम candle वगैरह चलाते हैं. But nowadays we are having inverters. But जब inverters भी नहीं, उनकी बैटरी खत्म हो जाती है, we also lit up the candle. So we are using the fire for the same purposes also. Now, list 3 ways in which the lives of farmers and herders would have been different from that of hunter and gatherers. बेटा जिनके पास those who are having the old books, ये mostly जो questions हैं that are from the on the trail of the earliest people. Okay. Now, list the ways in which the lives of farmers and herders that we have already discussed in the previous lecture. How they are different from each other. Yes, Jasam? Jasam?
The farmers and herders are different in the way of by the hunter and gatherers, in the way that the farmers and herders have to live in the field for the animals, stay in the same place for a long time, looking after the plants, watering, weeding, driving away the animals and birds till the grain reap, and hunter gatherers.
Jasam, one simple thing, जो hunter and gatherers थे, they were nomadic. They kept moving from place to place. And the farmers and herders थे, they led a very settled life. Fine, make it a very simple thing. Okay, just tell me the another point that you can write in this.
Yes.
Yes.
And the difference about the Hunter and gatherers. Hunter and gatherers moved from place to place in search of food and animals, from in search of small prey, and wild cattle in search of grass, and leaves in search of water.
ओके मतलब जो हंटर एंड गैदरर्स है उनका मेन क्या था? दे हंटेड द एनिमल्स, दे गैदर्ड द फूड, बट फार्मर्स एंड हर्डर्स दे स्टार्टेड ग्रोइंग द प्लांट्स एंड दे स्टार्टेड रियरिंग द एनिमल्स. वन लिथिक के बारे में पढ़ा था, दे स्टार्टेड कुकिंग द फूड.